Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do a what I eat in a day to lose weight. I am starting off with a detox tea. So this is a Lipton detox tea that I found at Kroger. I start off with that. I waited about 2 hours and now I am going to make some avocado toast. So this is one of my favorite breakfast recipes or things to eat for breakfast. I don't do it often, but when I do, I fall in love all over again and I get so mad at myself for not doing it. So I like to roll my avocados to kind of soften it up a little bit because it makes it easier to smash or mush. But as you can see, it is going to be a little messy because it's soft. So I just cut it open. I use a whole avocado. I put it in a little bowl and I mush it. I add seasonings. I'm going to show you the seasonings that I add. And then I just add a little lemon juice. And then I usually scramble like some eggs or some egg whites. Today I'm going to use eggs, but typically I'll do egg whites. And on a day when I'm not trying to lose weight or be the healthiest, I'll add a piece of bacon on top. So I'm going to use some garlic pepper because I love garlic pepper. I'm going to use a little paprika. I'm using some crushed red peppers because I love spicy. I'm half Nigerian and I love spice. And then I'm going to use some lemon juice. And I'm just going to, I'm basically eyeballing it. You want to season it to taste. If you don't like spice, obviously all the seasonings are optional. You can choose what seasonings that you want to use. This is just what I like. I'm also going to add some Creole Spicy Dust by Cusine. This is a local company. It's a black-owned company here in Houston, and I love her seasonings. So I'm going to add that to give it a little bit more of a kick because, like I said, I like spicy. And things, I guess, my husband says that my taste buds are off because things that are spicy to him, I don't typically taste any heat to. So I toasted my bread, and I'm using, I want to say I'm using butter bread. And then I'm going to spread that over the toast. No butter or anything, just going straight into that. And then today I'm using eggs because I did not feel like, separating the yolk and the egg. So I'm doing eggs, no bacon today because your girl is trying to lose weight. So I'm just going to eat that. And that is breakfast. Now for lunch, I am going to make a salmon burger with sweet potato fries. And sweet potato fries have been growing on me. Really, I don't know why I haven't eaten sweet potato fries as much as I should, but I'm going to put these in the air fryer. So I am having fries. I'm still going to try to make it a little healthier. This isn't necessarily the healthiest, but I'm going to do a healthier option. Obviously, eating the salmon burger with some fruit or some veggies is going to be the healthiest option, but I'm not doing that. So I'm seasoning it. I put some olive oil, I put some garlic pepper, and I put some of my Creole seasoning dust, and I'm just mixing it up. I'm going to put it in the air fryer, and these are my salmon burgers. So I got these from H-E-B. When I say these salmon burgers are bomb, I mean that they are bomb. So I have some Cheesecake Factory whole wheat bread that is amazing that I'm using. So I put those in the toaster and toasted it. I added a little mayo because, all the sauces and stuff also added calories, but I need it. So I'm also adding some romaine lettuce. I got some tomatoes. I got some avocados because who can have a salmon burger without avocado? Not I. And my secret sauce is this Kraft spicy barbecue. Now listen, this barbecue sauce right here is tasty, okay? It does the job. You can add it to anything and it is going to taste amazing. Please, 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 if you don't do nothing else, try this barbecue sauce. I put it on everything. So I'm also going to eat my sweet potato fries with a little ketchup because, you know, like I said, I'm going to take those extra calories because I'm going to go work out. See, look at me trying to be cute and I'm going to drop the burger. But this was really, really good. And don't say anything about my burnt sweet potato fries because I like my things to be crispy. So this is actually made perfectly for me because I like my stuff with crunch to it. So look how beautiful that burger looks. I'm going to take a bite. And the patties are just, I didn't add any seasoning to the patty. The patty is seasoned enough. It has, little jalapenos in there and cheese in there. So now I'm going to have some grapes for a snack. And for dinner, I'm going to move along to a shrimp salad. So I'm going to use the Brass Cuisine seafood seasoning. I added a little olive oil. Mix that in. I'm also going to add some garlic pepper because, like I said, I love, love, love that. And now here we are. So I went ahead and sauteed those shrimp. Now I'm taking the rest of my romaine lettuce. It was going bad, so that's why I'm just going to cook it before it goes bad. So I chopped that up. I'm chopping up some tomatoes. I'm also going to chop up some cucumbers. And typically, I'll slice up my cucumbers earlier on, and then I'll marinate it in the salad dressing. And, ooh, child, good. So this is my salad all put together. You see the shrimp straight out the cast iron. And this is that garlic basil vinaigrette by Wishbone. And when I say this right here, listen, you can marinate your cucumbers in that alone, and that's going to be a game changer. It's amazing. So I'm also going to add some sliced almonds and cranberries on top of that. And I'm going to opt out for the croutons for that reason. And yeah, so this is what I eat in a day to lose weight. I will be doing more videos like this. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. And I hope you enjoyed and got some tips on how to crush these COVID pounds. I'll see you guys next time.